Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. Today we have to discuss the fundamental topic, very much important. The familiar, some people are trying to read the textbooks. Sometimes we are not clear about the windings. So the topic is called under types of windings in the DC machines. I'll showcase from fundamental what are types of windings we are having. So we'll see here. Example, when you go for a DC machines, fundamentally there are two types of windings you are having. Open the machines. Those two different types of windings generally we namely call it as, the first one is Grame winding, Grame ring winding. First one, Grame ring winding. Next, what is the Grame ring winding? The Grame ring winding is nothing but, I should take to understand very clearly. Let us take it's a rotor body. This is a rotor body. Example, this is the rotor. In this rotor, the windings, let us take it as a winding. The winding should go inside. You have to send the wire into the inside. Then after that, you can take the winding to the inside. Then after winding again, it should come back to this. Keep it inside again. Keep on going there. So winding should be accommodate inside and outside, inside and outside, outside and inside. Keep on going there, in and out, in and out. These types of windings is called as a Grame ring winding. It is nothing but, in the case of a Grame ring winding, the slot should be top and bottom. Both cases, top and bottom will be there. That is I can say if you understand very clearly how the winding things. This is a rotor body. The winding should go inside, then come like this. Go like this, come like this, like this, like this. This is what I was shown just now, that only. The wind should go, should make it very straight. It's go, keep on inside this, then come winding from top, then go inside and come back. These types of winding is called as a Grame ring winding. I think very clear. That's what I told you, it's a Grame ring winding. The second type is called as, we heard so many times, it's a drum type winding. Drum type winding. Drum type winding only the slot should be inside. Inside the winding should be only inside, not outside. Example, I can showcase the drum type windings to understand very clearly. For this your convenient I drawn. This is the body, the rotor body. The winding should be inside, in go and out go. Just I am opening the inside, how should be the slots. The slot inside, it should be the slots. Yes, I am rounding, re-round like this. Inside only there. Inside like this, and wave or lap winding, inside only the winding should be done. The slot should be there. Am I clear? It's only inside that. Only one way. Then it should not completely. Am I clear? So this is type of winding is called as drum type winding. I think you are having like this. To open this, it is only one side you can say winding. Like this you are having. Example, let us say. In your regularly rotating rotors, the body should be like this only. The conductor should come like this, should come like this, should come like this. These are all slots. Yes, I am taking a pictorial way. I draw the paper. It should be rotor like this. The slot should be accommodated like this. These types of winding is a drum type winding. This drum type winding, I am making into two pieces. I am opening this. It should be, I should draw like this. This is the rotor body. I was making into this, cutting into pieces. I should draw like this. This is the slots. I was keeping these slots in such a way. So in this this drum type winding, there are two types we are having. The drum type winding. The winding number one is called as lap winding. Second thing is called as a wave winding. So according to way you are winding to the slots inside, on the slots, there are two types of winding. One is lap winding, other one is wave winding. First one I am recalling. One is Grame ring winding. I told you. Drum type winding. What we are using right now in the drum type winding in the market. Lap winding and wave winding. Now we have to discuss one by one what is the lap winding, what is the wave winding. Now let us we have to see very clearly. We are in the drum type winding. Let's go for first thing is a lap winding. First I am drawing here lap winding. Or if you want to understand clearly, I'll go for wave winding first to understand the lap winding later. So draw wave winding, after come back lap winding to understand very clearly. So let us how should be there. This I was open the slots. There are all slots. Like inside should be there. The slots I was told. Just I was taken at 20 slots to understand very clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on 18. And after round shape it is there. It becomes 20. So it should be like this. A circular manner. I was cutting at 18th piece. I was opened 20, 19, 21. It come. It should be like complete closement. I was opening it as. I think very clear. I think. So it's I was opened closely. I was opened. These are slots will be there. So how this wave winding it should be takes place. Example, let us I will take a windings for this. It will come like this. The conductor winding I should go inside this on this. Then I'll go for this. Coming over here. I should connecting over here. This I should come down. Then I'll go for like this. On this I should go. I am drawing because I should not disturb this. And after go, then of this. Come like this. Then it should go come to here. There to understand very clearly I should down like this. So this is what the winding should be drawn. This type of winding is called as a wave winding. Under first slot, after this go and come to 6th one, then come back to 11th one, keep on going under. In such a way, it's open there, and after ending it should come and connecting over here. That ending of 18th one will come out here, it should be connecting over here. Like this will go bar, the winding should go in there. This is look like a wave model. Let us should draw for a pictorial way. This winding is called as a wave winding. It should be like a wave winding. So in this wave winding or lap winding, to draw this, there are 3 important things. That things is called as front pitch and back pitch and winding pitch. 3 things are required. What is the back pitch? So I should write a definition to understand very clearly. Back pitch. I should write YB. There are terms called back pitch. The back pitch is nothing but the distance between two sides of same coil. Two sides of same coil. It's nothing but I should draw. To understand very clearly, I will draw the back pitch where it is there. The distance between here and here. So this is nothing but a back pitch. So those who want fundamental weak, I'll recall one thing. These all call it as slots. There are 20 slots. These slots you can clear. Each slot we can place your conductors like this. Conductors means winding, you can keep that. That's very clear. Next, this is one slot. It's very clear. Then after that, the turn is nothing but some people are having a turns. Turn is nothing but the winding will go and come over here. This complete setup of is called as a one turn. One turn. One turn will possessing how many number of conductors? This is one conductor. This is also one conductor. The one turn will possessing a two conductor. One turn will possessing a two conductors. We can say the number of turns is equal to 2 types of number of conductors. This is one of the important division. The number of turns is equal to 2 times of a number of conductors. Am I clear? Next, coil. The coil is nothing but this arrange. Let us take the winding will come. Example, a winding will go like this, winding will go like this. This complete setup we can call it as a coil. Coil nothing but it should be combination of more number of turns. So first turn is over, second turn, third turn. Like this you can keep on going other. This complete a bunch, this will take, this comes under a coil. Total coil. Next, coil side is nothing but this is one coil side. This is also one coil side. Coil side and coil side. Two coil sides. Completes one coil. It's very clear. So turn and conductor very clear. That's what why I am telling means here I wrote the definition to understand very clearly. The distance between the two coils of the same coil. Coil sides of two sides of a same coil. So this is one coil. Inside one coil, the distance between two sides of the same coil. This is one coil. Here to here, how much distance will be takes place? 6 minus 1. 5 slots will be there. So the back pitch, nothing but how many slots is there in between? So it should be representation will take place the back pitch or front pitch in terms of the number of slots or number of conductors. So these are representation number of conductors, number of slots. How many is the back pitch? 6 minus 1 it becomes the back pitch 6 minus 1 it becomes 5 slots will take place. 6 minus 1. Don't think that 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. It's wrong. 6 minus 1 there are 5 slots will take place. Consecutively you can take it out. Okay now? So this is the back pitch is over. Next front pitch. Front pitch y suffix f. The front pitch is nothing but same the distance between the slight change here. The distance between, or you can say the coil sides are connected to the, it's better to understand very clearly. I can write another way to understand very clearly. The front pitch, the coil sides connected to same commutator segment. It you can say very clearly same commutator segment. The coil sides connected to commutators, same commutator segments. So let us I should understand the commutator how should be there. For that I should open one commutator. This is one commutator body. This is a commutator which are connected to rotor body of commutator like this. All conductors should go in commutator. This is a commutator. This commutator I should open like this. This is the rotor body to open the commutator. This is the commutator setup will takes place. So let us I should draw the commutator setup. To understand that down, I should draw one commutator setup. This is the commutator. These are the commutator segments. Just roughly I draw. All windings should be they are connected in such a way. This commutator segment. This is one commutator segment. This is one commutator segment. They will connect it to here and it will collect the current from that. The commutator segment. So what they are telling it is the coil sides. The distance between you can say that the distance between the coil sides connected to same commutator segment. This is one commutator segment. In between how much they are connected. How many number of slots will take place. So this we can say that a front pitch. This is nothing but a front pitch. This is nothing but a front pitch. That's very clear. Front pitch. Y suffix f. Back pitch is nothing but the distance between two coil sides of the same coil. Same coil, any coil sides are in between. Here the distance between two coil, the distance between the coil sides connected to same commutator segment. This is one commutator segment. How many will be there? Next to go for this is one commutator segment. How many will go? 1, 2, 3. Again this will come over here. Same thing. How many will be there? 11 minus 6. It becomes 5. 11 minus 6. It becomes 5. Again same 5 slots will take place. 5 slots. So in the I think it's very clear here. After this, the winding pitches takes place. That is also very important. The winding pitch is wider suffix w. The winding pitch is nothing but the distance between starting end of two consecutive coils. The distance between starting end of two consecutive coils. Example, winding pitch is this is one starting of first coil. Other starting will take place here. The total complete the distance we can say it is a winding pitch. The winding pitch is nothing but this is a winding pitch. Phi suffix W. It is the starting of first coil. It is the starting of first coil. The total how much will take place? I can say it is 11 minus 1. It becomes 10. The winding pitch is 10. How much it is there? Winding pitch is 10. Front pitch how much you got? 5. Back pitch also 5. You can see. Back pitch nothing but 6 minus 1. It is 5. Front pitch 11 minus 6. It becomes 5. Winding pitch it we can say 11 minus 1. It becomes 10. So 5 plus. So I can write in the case of lap winding, wave winding, the winding pitch is equal to back pitch plus front pitch. Very very important. In the case of lap winding, wave winding, the winding pitch is equal to back pitch plus front pitch. I think is clear. This is a wave winding, back pitch and front pitch and winding pitch. These three terms should be same. Next, there are interesting point in this the back pitch. Always the back pitches are integer values. The back pitch or front pitch, these two things are integer value. Integer value means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be like that because just now we have seen 5 and 5. I think it's very clear. Sometimes this should be in an odd number for a double layer winding. Double layer winding, it should be odd integers that we will see in the double layer winding. You can say that you have to remember. Next, winding pitch, it should be integer value. It should be for an even value for double layer winding. Double layer winding, it should be even value. That should be taken care. This is the three important points. It should be there. Next, winding pitch and back pitch, front pitch, you can say in terms of number of slots. That we can see here. So this is what a lap winding is very clear. Next we'll go for wave winding is very clear. Next go for a lap winding to understand very clearly what is going to happening is there. The winding things should be take care very clearly because it should be very very interesting topic in that electrical engineering. What are the things should we go takes place? So we have to see one by one. The back pitch and front pitch, how should be going to take place, that is how to see clearly now. The wave winding is over. Next, we'll go for lap winding. Now, lap winding. How should be the lap winding will take place? Now look at the matter here. Should be taken new markets better. So okay, lap winding. The lap winding how should be takes place here? First you go for this conductor. This first conductor will go and connecting over here. After the sixth conductor, this sixth conductor should not go. The sixth conductor will come over here. Then it should be overlapping over here. Then it should go like this, coming over like this. Then it come like this. This winding should be called it as a lap winding. It should go and come like this. Connect a commutator segment and go and come and like this. Then come and connected like this. If I continue, I'll continue for this to understand very clearly. So this is a winding. This is called as different commutator segment. Like this will go. This winding is called as a wave winding. So lap winding. I think I'm clear. So to reduce more confusion, I should draw once again those who are not clear to understand very clearly. Those are not clear, let us see here. So go and come connected here. After this, before you go like this, now you come like this. So this what type of winding is called as a lap winding. I think it's clear. Next in this you can see the front pitch and back pitch. So back pitch I told you the consecutive things. Let us go here. The back pitch, I told you under the same coil, how much distance will take place. So this is over here. Next, what about the front pitch? What are the things we'll go for at the front pitch case? The front pitch, I told you, the coils are connected in the same commutator segment. This is one commutator segment. How many coils are connected? Front pitch. What's the back pitch here? 6 minus 1 back pitch. It should be 5. Next, front pitch, how much it is there? 6 minus 2. How much it is there? 4. Next, next winding pitch is nothing but what? The distance between the starting end of two consecutive coils. This is the first coil. Second coil, first coil, this one only. In between, how much distance will take place? This distance is called as the winding pitch. Winding pitch, how much it is there? 2 minus 1. This is called a winding pitch here. First coil, then second coil will start over here. Winding pitch. 2 minus 1, it's a winding pitch. It's very clear. So this is over here. For this observation, we can say, to get a winding pitch, I can write a derivation relation between here. Can I write back pitch minus front pitch? Because 5 minus 4, it becomes 1. Am I clear? So in the case of lap winding, back pitch minus front pitch. In the case of wave winding, what you got? This is for lap. Before previous case winding, what you got? Wave winding, back pitch plus the front pitch. In the case of a wave winding, this is observation we have to understand. This is called as the lap winding will take place. Comma here going on there. So let us understand. Go for the windings there. It's go and come over like this. This winding. Then again this winding will come and go on like this. It's like loop models. One by one. It's keep on going on there. It should go like this and keep on going this. It's keep on going on there. Like this, the winding will go into take place over here. That is, I think, very clear. Please look at one by one. Let us go for further concepts. Okay. After this, the lap winding and wave winding, some of the interesting factors we are having, the things will take place. In the case of lap winding, wave winding, also there are two types of things will take place. Those things will called as progressive winding and retrogressive winding. Those who want it clear, I should explain that progressive winding and retrogressive winding. So progressive windings, there are two types: progressive lap winding and progressive wave windings, and retrogressive lap winding, retrogressive wave windings. So let us, to want to understand, I should draw for this. Lap winding is over. So in this, the lap winding, there are two types. One is progressive lap winding. Those who are for the first time, I should write progressive lap winding, retrogressive lap winding, and retrogressive lap winding. After the wave winding, also the progressive wave winding, retrogressive wave winding. Anyway, we are in the lap winding, we can see that progressive lap and retrogressive lap winding. So I should go for first one, progressive lap winding. I should extend the topic here. Progressive. This is 2.1. Progressive lap winding. So how the progressive lap winding will take place? So to understand very clearly, I will draw the winding. What is going to happen in progressive lap winding? The thing is very simple. The winding should go like this. First you draw wave winding over here till this very here. Next, just now we are already seen, this will come like this. After the second coil should connect in this fashion. After this, if you connect in a forward direction, then go like this, then come like this. After this, what you come like this, then go like this. After this, one by one in a forward direction. After one, you connected 2, 2 connected 3. The winding should go like this. This winding should go in a forward direction. This winding is called as a progressive lap winding. Basically, it's lap winding. If you connected, the winding should be forward direction. This comes under a progressive lap winding. Clear? Next, other thing is retrogressive winding. The retrogressive winding, a slight change will take place. That I will show for you to understand very clearly. There is a slight change for this retrogressive winding. Please look at very clearly. These are only topics very interesting in the interviews. After the sixth coil, what you want to connect? Just now we are connected to second one. Now it is not second one. It's go from forward. It's connected to first coil of this one. Backward, 20th coil. After this, should connect over here. Should come like this. Should coming over here. Should come like this. First coil should connect to backward version. Now it should be. Then go like this. Then come like this. Then go like this. Then should come like this. It's keep on moving. It should go, winding will go and reverse fashion, then come back to ending. It should go reverse. Previous it a forward, now it should be reverse. I think very clear. So those are not clear, once again I will draw. This winding should be very interesting thing. When you go for this interviews, I am telling you, because of personal I am experiencing, that's what I am telling you. Then go for first coil, I think connected to sixth coil, very clear. After this sixth coil, this you connected to conductor second one. Now it should not be, it should go just forward, not to second one. It should go for the first second one, first back, like this. Previously two, now it should not be like this. This. Then go like this. But then it should be previous. It should be seventh. Now it should be previous one, fifth one. Total backward. Then go for this. It should blend with forward, fourth one. The winding should be in backward fashion. This types of winding is called as a retrogressive winding. This retrogressive.